It's really difficult to get all my hair in the shot. Okay, so it's been several months since I've done anything, and it's time to try to bring some joy into my life. So I'm going to go on a fabric hunt. I am resisting the urge right now to go out and buy some fabric for a pattern I just recently bought. I've got stuff here, and I'm gonna try to make something. And it should be really simple. So my goal is to finish today. It's 3 p.m. on a Saturday. We're gonna finish by 11. Yeah. Okay, so this is a fabric that I'm using. You can see that it's already pleated, and it is a floral design. I wasn't able to get too much yardage on it, so I'm just gonna try to make a skirt, which is really simple, and I think I should be able to get this out and ready to wear, possibly to work on Monday. Okay, day 2. I didn't get much done yesterday. I had a hard time trying to figure out which pattern I was going to do that could fit on the fabric that I had, so I switched it up 3 times, and that took a long time. Anyways, today's Sunday. I'm gonna try to get as much done as I can. I would like to finish, but I do have to work today. Okay, I'm gonna cut these 3 because the rest of it is cut on single layer, and my table is not wide enough for that. It's also really dirty right now because I have not cleaned it up since we moved, which was like 7 months ago. So I'm gonna cut it out right now. This is why you shouldn't sew when you just wake up in the morning. I just made a mistake. I cut this off, and I wasn't supposed to cut it off. I was just supposed to fold it up. And now I have to like tape it back or something. I don't know. Ugh, God, what a mess. So my skirt is hanging on. It's just pinned in right now. There's no sewing or anything like that, but just for a little bit of organization for me, it's hanging on. And this skirt, I mean, like, I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to cut pleated fabric like this. But, so, yeah, the lines are gonna be a little trippy, but that's okay. That's okay, it's got good movement though. The flounce situation though, I don't know what's gonna happen with that. So, I've cut out everything except the waistband and the 2 ties, since it's a wrap skirt. But I'm switching it up. For those 3 pieces, I'm not going to use the pleated fabric. I'm going to use some scrap fabric I had from a failed pencil skirt. So it's this polka dot fabric right here, and I think it kind of complements that, so that's what we're gonna go with for these 3 pieces. So I'm gonna cut these 3 out, and then finally I will get started on sewing. My goal is to finish by noon, so then I can start working on my work stuff. Boring stuff. So let's get this done, and then I will check back in. Okay, everything is finally cut. Only took 1 hour and 45 minutes, which honestly seems like a really long time. I feel like it shouldn't have taken that long. But anyways, we're going to proceed. I even got interfacing stitched on my waistband. So now, time to start construction, and it is almost 10:45. I have an hour and 15 minutes to sew this whole thing. Let's see if it takes that long. It'll probably take longer. So I'm gonna speed through this. Maybe I'll show you a couple of things. If not, this could be like a 5-minute video where you didn't see anything being made, or it could be like an 8-minute video and I just sped everything up. So we'll see what happens. It is January 5th, and time to film the outro of this video, right? I mean, so I filmed the first part in September and never finished it and never edited and never uploaded it, but that's 2019, it's 2020 now. All of that's in the past. Okay, so here is the final skirt. So please excuse the outfit. I am about to go on a hike, but I thought I would try to get in a little bit of shots. Okay, so it's got some pretty nice movement to it. I did a very botched job when it came to this little loophole, and also it does have some fitting issues. I am never the same size day to day, so it's really difficult to make sure this fits right. So normally whenever I wear it, I just like cinch it in a little bit, which you can't really tell, but I just have to pull it in. So easily I could just make another hole and not make it look so ugly, but I don't want to do that. So yeah, some other things. Obviously the lines got all weird when it came to the flouts, like I said it would be, but that's not like the worst issue. Here, let me show you with all the leggings. It almost looks like a real outfit now, except for the compression top. Okay. Skirt. It's a really busy pattern. I like it, but it's also kind of, I don't know, it's fine. Let's just say it's a nice winter skirt. But it is nice and soft, which I really like, and it's got a nice dramatic effect when I walk. I think that should be enough footage of the skirt. My cat is looking at me like I'm really strange right now, so I think that lets me know this is a very natural way to end the video. The hope is this video actually goes up January 5th on a Sunday, which is a good day to upload a video. I will see you in 3 months, right? Bye. Me and my days seem so amazing. You know, an added benefit to this wrap skirt is that it's super easy to take off.